this possible. I want to thank all our friends that I cannot mention for making this possible. I will be speaking to you today. I plan to speak on the issue. Then we don't I'm very brave. I don't want to speak so much on this. But I'm very, very, very glad to see you today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is reality. It gives me so much hope to see senior leaders. God, as a man, also you, letting me know about the process. So we're going to go to Tamega. Now we're going to go to Seko. We're going to go to we respect you. We have looked at you for a very long time. Challenge Roma, God is doing now. But again, to all of you that have just joined us, we want to tell you that the National Unity Platform is not business as usual. The National Unity Platform is not another opposition political party. For us, we are not a political party. I want to make it clear. We are not a political party, but we are a political party. The National Unity Platform is a very small part of us. We are people power. We are the people of Uganda united to change our destiny, to put an end to the dictatorship of General Museveni. Many of us were not in traditional politics. We did not come into politics because we love it. We came into politics because we are tired and we cannot leave this world anyway. We have to do it ourselves. It should not surprise you to see teachers, musicians, barbers, Bonabana, in all walks of life. It was not like this some years ago. So we unite here, we meet here today, not to do the ordinary, the usual politics. This is a revolution. This is a mission to freedom. That is why in people power, in the National Unity Platform, the most important people are not the politicians. The most important people are not us, the leaders. The most important people are the common people. The people of Uganda. For the first time we decided to offer servant leaders to be servants. We talk about the 2 days of our president to our president. They have the 2 days that you know about our thing. The software that was our own now is the one way. They all come, they will now own our now stronger. But now that we are here, as the political wing, as the leaders wing, as the leaders, the organizers, it is important that we understand that much so much respect is given to us, and so many titles, Your Excellency, Honorable, Your Worship, and all that. That is nothing without the people, but the people that is everything. No wonder today, as the mayor, you cannot do so much. As the councillor, you cannot do so much. As the member of parliament, you cannot do so much. Why? Because our country is still under the firm grip of a dictator called Museveni. This is not the government that they have. Because the government takes the duty, they will not corrupt. Government is the mission and main preoccupation of the Museveni regime is to stay in power. That is why it does not matter whether the roads are But Museveni will pick 100 million to give every member of parliament kubanga ayagala bayise etteeka ly'emmwanyi tusobole okugenda mu famire ye n'abantu. He does not matter giving a whole road to one person bw'aba yagenda omuyamba okusigala mu buyinza. I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, that today, if the top leaders of the national unity platform, including myself, tell Museveni esente half or quarter of the national budget muzituwe nga basambula abantu balala tubiveko Museveni ajja kukwatazibwawo. Lwaki? Because his main preoccupation is staying in power and looting people of Uganda. So it is that reason that all of us must first and foremost understand why we meet. You must understand why you fight. You must understand why you risk. You must understand why you go to prison and come out and go back again. You must understand why we are dying and we are prepared to continue dying until we change this. This is very important for our leaders to know. Kubanga bwogenda mu kulembeze ng'oli wano nga bino tobimanyi oli mu kigo kikya. Bwogenda mu kulembeze nga weegasa oba weegata ku national unity platform naye nga bweyagala jasukula mu kigo mirembe amirembe oli mu kibiina kikya. Ate naba abakulembeze bw'obanga ogenda kuyitamu ng'oyagala kukamuganga nawe ekigo kikyamu era kubeera mugenda Finally, I want you, our leaders, to understand that our people understand. I repeat, I want you to understand that our people understand. I want you to know that our people are awake. It is a very big honor for us to be leading this generation. But then it is a very big risk for us to play around with this generation. Because they know. So now that we are here, and now that we understand what must we do here. I remember telling my friends that when we went to the 2021 election, politics wasn't enough campaign. Era likuwangula yokuruka kubabuka nebatulengeza kwalina chance choices either tufunewo oba take over the opposition and keep fighting. We are supposed to be government, but really that's the opposition. If you come okay, this that they are pushing us to, we decided that we are not the opposition, we are the option. Whenever our closing, but when the office is a among us, what do we do? Let us organize again and keep putting one foot in front of the other to keep them out of the because Banana is first of all, we're trying to know then we're trying to see what we are not where the people elected us to be, but we are not where we used to be. Every day we keep breaking this vision. Every day. But we must not relax because dictators never realize in 90 years. Even if a dictator looks like he's going to fall down the next day, if you don't push enough, he can last another year and another year and another year. Oh, okay. But the thing because China or Cuba the chapter. The thing why China or Cuba by now, when we discuss our policy, the third parliament is supposed to be to the invest on the law or to the factor. The setup of what we want to get first. That is supposed to be the debate. Parliament but unfortunately, the chapter. That is why today, there was a parliament simply never know about the illegal house. Simply never know about the illegal house. And angekuwa milioni 10 asobola okusabika imana ani angekuwa milioni 10 asobola okukiriza abantu bawuliro basiwe okoti z'amagye. That is what we have. That means we must go past this level. How do we go past this level? That is why we are here. That is not the idea. But when we are talking about it, our mission is not just to take over the president. We are not intending to go from up downward. We are intending to go from down upwards. Therefore, we need to have these revolutionary leaders right from LC1. And after you say, no, we want to have a family in the world, we don't want to be. But I'm not going to be able to encourage them. Don't give this to other people. Also, out of your experience for understanding this way. Don't be shy away from leadership. So now that we are here, go ahead and organize. Of course, last time we had very few leaders. Last time we were talking about who is there. And I saw a tweet by one of the soldiers from Musuka who said last time we were getting who is available, but now so many people are available. So many people are available, but we must choose the most committed and most reliable one. So now that we are here, when we that would be that we anchor us. Singing about the president, they are singing about the president, Pascola, who would have anyone see. But now we now need. So we seem to have a lot of pain. You seem to have a lot of pain. Mentioning that you have suffered so much, you want to go about, I am leading you to power. We are going to power. But it's not just a matter of going to power. When you live here, go and educate your people. Give them the for just getting out of power. It's not just a matter of going to be president. And after that, you elect to be president. And apart from here, you are everywhere around the world where they treat me like a president. That is not enough. You should not get back for that. Because it's no longer about the title. You have to give up with your number of Malo Police by God and India. Let them understand that our mission is not just to take power and replace the others and become the new things. The power of the Abaki to forget Abaki Abakia. No, our mission is to change fundamentally. First and foremost, for making sure that our police we live in servant leadership where you are answerable to people. I think to get to now, the Mama, you know, today, we say, now we are a couple of money, what are money that you then shall go ahead to say your name, to say the English, to say the poor thing, to say the economy, to say your money. If one is our device, they are going to West, I told the whole day, I told them to respond again. That is what we are doing. How we achieve that? By organizing. Let us organize. I can tell you that in organizing, harmonizing is even a very important factor. You compare to one. That will not help us. Extends of formation. You are not seeing that is step number one. But again, never got to one another. This is to get one. I'm which way is but I must also inform you, brothers and sisters, who are present for long. I know many of you who get up in the home of your name, who give a mayor, who give a councillors and all that. But that's not the reason. Museveni, Wabaka, but what you get from Museveni, you have not become another MP. Again, you get out, either send by the school in Chibasa, or whatever. So we must drop Museveni. We are going to 2026. This vote will call it a protest vote. What is a protest vote? We are not here because Museveni wants us to be here. What are they doing? They want to stop peace. Outside the parliament, we are impossible. The safest thing is to let us be. A king of our name, our blessing. Come on, never ever to walk with your papa. I tell you what we are not here by their masses. We are here. We are having a protest meeting here. We are going to protest against the theft, against the impunity, against what our government, against morally in our country. How do we see the organization wake up us? What are they moving step by step? For now, we know and now we are going to issue what is about the Malay, the Malay, and get to step by the you will somebody to say it is our president of our some people thought it's a joke when you talk about protest vote. You know, I think about something away the marching again.
as you have now. But look what you have. Kasi nagtitipula no east, nagtitipula no west, nagtitipula no north, nagtitipula no central. Kita bakula. So let's go on this. The regime is panicking, my friends. Papa, you go